Schools need structured, ready to go resources to support students who are working significantly behind their peers. That's why PLD has developed the Integrated SSP Support Kit, a resource that fits seamlessly within your existing PLD whole school approach. Available now for pre orders, ready for delivery in early 2026. The kit has been designed for Tier 2 and 3 students, operating in stages 1 to 3 who require frequent and intensive support. What makes the Integrated SSP Support Kit a great choice is the three-layered support model. The first layer is the individual sessions, with ready-to-use plans and materials for up to 5 sessions per week. The second layer is the classroom alignment resources, so students participate in the same activity as their peers, but at an accessible level. And the last layer is home practice, parent-friendly materials to reinforce learning at home. Each session is designed to run for 20 minutes with a strong focus on reading, so building accuracy, automaticity, and fluency. When time allows, sessions can be extended to 30 to 45 minutes, giving the opportunity to focus on both reading and writing for maximum impact. Each week includes revision of previously taught phonics sounds, words, and heart high frequency words. Students receive explicit scripted teaching of the weekly phonic concept and heart high frequency words, 5 word lists including suffix practice and 3 vocabulary words for comprehension. 3 games each week provide further practice of the phonic concepts covered. And finally, a speed read and dictation passage are provided for fluency development. To make tracking and support of student progress easy, the kit includes a weekly documentation page. This will record the session frequency, content taught, and whether classroom or home involvement has been completed, providing teachers and the school with clear evidence of the support delivered. Inside the box, we provide you with hard copies of Stage 1 and 2 catch-up programs, the Heart High Frequency Word Book, synthetic phonic flip books for Stages 1 and 2, and pre-literacy and Stage 1 additional resources. We also provide you with online access to the MySSP site with printable versions of the pre-CBC, Stage 1 and 2, and 3 catch-up programs. The Integrated SSP Support Kit is available now for pre-order. Secure your kit now and be ready to roll out Tier 2 and 3 support from day 1 of the 2026 school year.